Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition Christmas Eve beauty box to share with you, and it is from Lookfantastic. They're bringing out quite a few boxes. I've unboxed a few on my channel already, and this is their latest release. It contains 10 items, 5 of which are full size. It has a value of £190 and it costs £50, but if you are a subscriber to the monthly beauty box, then you can get it for £40. As always, you'll find details listed down below in my description, as well as links to their other boxes and any offers and codes I can find. Then you'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's open this up and show you what's inside. There is a card. I'll scan it. I'm just checking to see if there's any variations. There is one, but I'll leave that till the end. Starting off, we've got ELEMIS. This is the Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. It's a hydrating cleansing balm. There's 20 mils there, and this is worth £13. Now, I don't like rose, but I do have a full pot of this. There's not much left of it. But yeah, it is a very rosy smell. Oh, excuse my cat. I don't know how I did that. Ugh. I'll stop you from seeing that. I don't know how I did it. It's a melt your makeup off cleansing balm. Really, really lovely. I do really like it. It leaves my skin feeling nice and clean and fresh. And yeah, it is a really great product. That's the first item. Next, we've got a full-size Virtue. This is a correct Un-Frizz Cream, and it has a value of £42. It smooths, calms, transforms. And there's 120 mils there. Apply a quarter-size amount to clean, damp hair from roots to ends. Blow dry for a smooth finish or air dry to enhance natural texture. I've seen a lot of the hair oils in different beauty boxes, but yeah, this is the first time I've seen an Un-Frizz cream. Next, we've got Erborian. This is skin therapy with 17 super ingredients. This is a multi-perfecting night oil. There's 10 mils here, and you can buy it at this size for £21. It says, after the first night, your skin is smooth, intensely nourished and plumped with moisture. Signs of fatigue appear reduced, your complexion is fresh and radiant. And I've just started using it because I've gone through all my advent calendars and I've gone through all the products that I want to start using right away, and there's so many. There is so many, but yeah, this is one of them. I think we had this one in the Lookfantastic advent calendar, because Lookfantastic was one of the first advent calendars for me to unbox. I can't remember exactly what's inside it. It's a really nice oil. Really, really nice. And it absorbs nicely into the skin. It doesn't feel too sticky, which I can't stand. It's more like a serum. You can tell it's an oil. My skin feels amazing, really, really nice, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling really sticky and thick and horrible. Yeah, I really like it. I absolutely adore this brand anyway. It's such a great brand. So we've got a night oil. Next, we've got mascara by Too Faced. This is Damn Girl, and this is 24-hour mascara. 75% say they saw full-on volume. 100% said they saw intense black lashes. This is deluxe size, and it is worth £15. And hopefully you can see that there. Ooh, very fancy packaging. I can't remember what this mascara's like. I do have it, but I had it ages ago. I've got it somewhere. I love Too Faced Better Than Sex. It's very much like that, but with a dip in the middle. So we've got Damn Girl. Next, we've got Claire de Peau. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, and I'm certain when I mentioned it before in a video, I had a few of you comment down below saying this is how you pronounce it, Claire, which I really appreciate. But I wish this brain would retain information. Oh, I just can't do it unless I receive it over and over and over again, and then it sticks. But yeah, Claire de Peau. This is an enhancing eye contour cream, and there's 2 mils there. This little size is worth £30. That's bonkers, isn't it? Look how tiny that is. It's so small. But it is an eye cream, so it's not just going to be, you know, if it's a moisturiser, then that would be gone after just one application. But being, I'm not going to touch it, I don't want to waste it, but it being an eye cream, you've got a good few applications in there. Infused with the brand's signature blend of ingredients, this hydrating cream offers a combination of moisturising and retexturising benefits that help to refine, balance and smooth the complexion. Next, we have got a hair curling scrunchie thingy. It's full size, obviously, and it retails for £8.99. And I thought I would understand how this works. I don't know. Like, I've seen things like this. Does it show me on there? Heatless Curling Scrunchie. Made with satin, the scrunchie is designed to curl the hair without heat and helps to reduce the appearance of flyaways, leaving the hair looking smooth and glossy. Yeah, I've seen the ones that you place on your head and then you come down there and then you tie your hair in and bobble and stuff. But what, like, this is a big spongy thing, and then you've got a ginormous scrunchie there. Unless you put this on top of your head, roll your hair, tuck your hair in, and then tie it in a bun at the back. Oh, I haven't got a clue. I don't know. I'm going to have to go onto YouTube and check out how people do that. If you have an idea, then yeah, let me know. Then we got Molton Brown Bath and Body Gel. This is deluxe size and it's worth £10. We've got Relaxing Ylang. I can't remember what this one smells like. I do love these. They're nice. Oh, that is nice, yeah. There's a big bubble there. I know. Ooh, ooh. It's not, the bubble's not going. Yeah, it's not as strong as the others. But can you tell that it's purple? Can you tell that it's purple? Because I'm filming at night. It's purple anyway, but Ylang shower and bath gel. Then you've got a sleep mask. This is Glove Satin Sleep Mask, and this retails for £12.99. I think we had one of these in one of Lookfantastic's Christmas boxes last year. Can you remember? I'm sure we did. So yeah, it's a nice little satin mask there, nicely padded, extra stretchy band to go around your head. So there's that. Then we've got a huge, if we ever had little ones of these, Bleach London Reincarnation Mask. Need a second chance, resurrect dry, damaged, bleach or coloured hair, 200 mils. I do like this, and as I said, I've only had little mini ones before, so it's really nice that I've got a massive one. The resurrection starts here. Repair and hydrate. Have I just read that? Maybe I have. Enriched with sunflower seed extract and micro wheat proteins to help improve elasticity, strengthen colour and reduce fading. It retails for £10. You apply it to your hair wet, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, then you rinse. They do say wrap your hair in a towel just so that it keeps the warmth in and does more, I was going to say damage there, no you don't want damage. It helps penetrate deeper into your hair. So we've got a hair mask. Now the last item is a variation. You will either receive what I've got, which is a Floral Street Wonderland Pony 10ml perfume. This is deluxe size and it is worth £28. The fresh fragrance has notes of peonies, pink berries and violet with a musky base of cedarwood, vetiver and hazelnut. So you'll either receive this, which I'll open up and show you in a minute, or you'll receive a Glove Gua Sha Jade Face and Neck Massage Stone, which is worth £17.90. This Gua Sha facial and neck massage stone helps to stimulate lymphatic circulation to promote firmer facial contours and a revitalised appearance. No, because of the camera, you can see all the lights flickering, but yeah. So you'll either receive a Gua Sha facial tool or a perfume. So what does Wonderland Peony, or Pony, no Peony, Pony, no Pony. I'm sure I've had this before. I might already have it up in my perfume collection behind me. Can't remember what it's like, because I have got a few of these. It is nice, but it's very sweet. Yeah, it is really nice. I think I always give this one to my daughter because she prefers more sweet perfumes. It does smell gorgeous, you know, if someone walked past me wearing it, I'd be like, oh, they smell nice, but it's just a little bit too sweet for me. Yeah, so another one for my daughter. So there you go, 10 items in this Christmas Eve limited edition beauty box. It costs £50 or £40 if you're a subscriber and has a value of £190. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought it for yourself? Are you going to get it for someone else? Or are you watching this thinking, I don't know? Or are you watching this thinking, nope, it's not for me? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.